Hey guys, Tony here with Nothin But Car Reviews, bringing you another product review. Shout out to Bouge RV for always really just making awesome products, but always hooking me up. I want to do an unboxing of what I bought here, and you'll see here in a minute. I want you to be surprised, but that's the box that comes in. I have a little bit of that styrofoam on top. We're going to take that off. And just look at the box there. Probably wondering what the heck that is. Take all this out here. So this is such a neat product, such a great idea, but also just so practical. So this is a 200 watt solar panel, legit a solar panel. So what this does is it just gives you ultimate flexibility in terms of where you put your panel, how you mount it, and just making sure that it stays put while you're driving down the road in your RV. So this one here, literally you unravel it, and I'm gonna lift the camera just a tad, but it has like basically adhesive that you can stick to the roof. And with this one being an 84 Winnebago, works out perfectly because my roof is metal. So literally I can just take this off, slap it on there, and I'll show you that when I get to it. But I just love how it comes in a nice, sleek, and somewhat small box as opposed to the other solar panel I have that I've been using, which is just a standard one, but it's a brick. I can't even fit it in the back of my minivan. So literally the only way I can transport it is if I put it through the door here, and it takes up the entire back of the RV. So just again, a pretty neat product. It's all pretty protected here, easy to hook up. You can see there, that's what the actual panel looks like. So that's in there, and then that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna hook it up, and once it's hooked up, I'll show you all what it's doing. All right, so I have the actual panel itself stuck down now. It looks so good on top of the roof here. You have the option to either drill the panel into the roof, or I got the adhesive just because my roof is metal instead of plastic, so it's stuck on there pretty nicely. Again, it looks fantastic, and it's just so thin. Not gonna have a lot of issues with, wind blowing it up or whatever. But again, the adhesive is super strong, so don't expect that to be an issue at all. But I'm gonna see if I can power up my solar system, so bear with me. All right, guys, so I have my Bouge RV power station hooked up here. This is actually pretty freaking cool. You can see the input there when I have the solar panel hooked up directly to the power station. I got these cables that'll fit in this input, and this is awesome. So I'm getting about 23 watts here. It's 35 degrees outside. It's about 11 a.m. and it is 3 days before Christmas, and I'm getting that kind of wattage here. So I'm able to charge this up. I only have 6-foot long cables here, so if I had 12 feet, it would be perfect, and I can run it right here. But these inputs right here are actually what's going to be running my full-fledged station with the 5,000 watt inverter, my 24 volt system. That's what's going to be hooked up here. But I wanted to just show you just how simple it is to just hook this up to the power station. You could literally just power your fridge off of that if you wanted to, or add another panel in series, and then you're getting who knows how much. And again, it's not even a bright day out. You can see it's winter out, and I'm just super impressed by this panel, but also just Bouge RV in general for having this setup here where you can just get an adapter cable, hook this up directly to your power station, and you see it went up from 67 to 68% just as we've been sitting out here. So I mean, this is going to be such a treat, I think, just going out camping or whatever, and you just want to power your fridge or space heater, whatever that may be. You can do that again with the panel set up to the inverter system, or if you want to run the fridge, just run your phones, you can just hook up this one panel here on the roof, and it'll take care of everything here. It'll at least keep your phone charged up because I'm getting 24 watts input, and max on this with the USB-C is less than that. So just freaking awesome. Big shout out again to Bouge RV for just allowing me to have this full-fledged setup here. It's just so cool, and I can't wait to get another panel to run in series here if I can fit it up here. Might have to put it sideways there or something like that, but just super excited to finish out this system and just get it going hardcore. So I'll keep you all updated again as I get my 24-volt system down there finished. And again, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.